Hello again. In our last video, we talked about the infinitive and its different kinds. In this video, we will learn how the infinitive form of the verb is used in different ways in English language. So let's dive into the world of English grammar and learn all about the infinitive verb. The first use is as a noun. We have already learned that infinitive is actually a verbal noun. So this is its basic use. As a noun, when it is used in a sentence, it is either subject or object of a sentence. As to learn is important. Here, the infinitive form of learn, to learn, is used as a noun and as a subject of the verb is. Number two, I like to read. Here, to read, the infinitive form is used as an object of the verb like. So this is the fundamental or the basic use of the infinitive. But infinitive is also used as an adverb. And what is an adverb? The word or a phrase that adds to the meaning of verb, adjective, another adverb, or the whole sentence. So the infinitive can also be used as an adverb. It then modifies the verb, adjective, or the whole sentence. Let's have a look at some of the examples to properly understand the infinitive being used as an adverb. He came to help me. The main verb or the finite verb in this sentence is came, and to help infinitive shows the purpose of his coming. So here this tells us something more about the verb came. So that's why we will consider it as an adverb and is qualifying the verb. She is happy to see you. The infinitive in this sentence is to see, and it tells us something more about the verb, the adjective happy. So here it qualifies happy, means why is she happy? What is the purpose or what is the cause of her happiness? To see you. So here to see adds to the meaning of the adjective happy. So here it is used. The word to see is used as an adverb. Then it can qualify the whole sentence or modifies the whole sentence. Like to be honest, here to be honest is the phrase we have made with the help of to and be, which is the infinitive, and it is introducing the whole sentence. Tells us something about the whole sentence. So, to be honest, I didn't enjoy the movie. Here, infinitive qualifies or modifies the whole sentence. I didn't enjoy the movie. Then, infinitive can also be used as an adjective. An adjective qualifies noun. Like, I have a book to read. The noun in this sentence is a book, and to read has something to say about the word book. So here we will say that it is being used as an adjective. Number two, she had a work. Work is here noun, to finish. to finish has to tell something more about the noun, that is verb. So it will be considered here as an adjective. Then another use of infinitive is with certain verbs in English. In our last video, we learned that we have full infinitive, bad infinitive, perfect infinitive, and many other kinds. If you want to know all about the kinds of infinitive, please watch that video. Here we are talking about that there are some verbs in English that take with them infinitive but bare infinitive. And what are those commonly used verbs? Bit, let, make, need, see, and hear. Let's see how the infinitive is used with them. I bade him go there. I can't say I bade him to go. So here it is the base form. We have already discussed that infinitive is also a base form, but we are not using to. Usually we use to before infinitive or when we want to make infinitive, but with certain verbs we don't. So I bade him go there. Go here is infinitive. Let him sit. We won't use to here. And sit in this sentence is infinitive but bare infinitive. Please make him stand. Stand is infinitive and bare infinitive because the verb make is here. We need not go there. Need, and we are using infinitive go. You dare not do it. Here do is bare infinitive because the verb we have dare. I heard him cry. Heard is the verb and cry is infinitive but bare infinitive. So if you refer some good dictionary, it will tell you that what verbs take with them infinitive but bare infinitive. So this is another use. That's why I treated it as a separate point. Then the infinitive can also be used as a complement of a verb. What is complement? What is adjunct? And what are the parts of the sentence? If you want to know more about these terms, do watch my video on sentence. So for now, let us learn how infinitive is used as the complement of some verbs. Like her greatest pleasure is, the verb is the verb of incomplete predication. So to complete it, we say to sing. So now when I added to sing with the verb is, the sentence became complete. Her greatest pleasure is to sing. So to sing here is used as the complement of the verb is. His custom is to ride daily. To ride, complement of is. The basic principle of life is, until here the sentence is incomplete. In order to complete it, I say to survive. Here to survive is serving the purpose or serving as the complement of the verb is. So the basic purpose of life is to survive. And the purpose or the basic principle of the life is to survive. We can also say basic purpose or basic principle. The purpose of the organization was to serve humanity. Here was, its complement is to serve. So this is all about all the possible uses of infinitive in English. If you learned something and liked this video, do like and subscribe. If you have any question, do ask in the comment. Until my next video, bye bye.